Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Tuesday, August 6th. Now looking at the water vapor satellite imagery loop, we still have a high pressure over the Four Corners area and southerly flow aloft, continuing over southeastern Idaho. We do see a moisture increase, probably be reflected mainly in a lot of mid and high level clouds today, but for the most part not expecting much in the way of precipitation. The radar shows some of the high level moisture pushing into the central mountains, but again no precip. That's further west into Nevada and California right now. Generally, we are expecting mainly dry weather throughout today, but we do expect isolated thunderstorms, mainly in the central mountains and southern mountains along the Utah border towards the Wyoming border. Again, not significant amounts, but we could see some wind gusts where you do get a thunderstorm over 30 miles per hour, and that's going to be the main impact today is going to be the isolated thunderstorms. As we go through the week, we expect more widespread coverage Wednesday, with generally isolated thunderstorms predominantly in the mountains, but probably a bit more coverage than we'll have today, especially in the central mountains. Again, the main fire weather zones today will be 475, 476, 422 over to 411, and that will also be the case Wednesday. We're still focusing on Thursday as the big thunderstorm day. Could see scattered coverage everywhere by Thursday, and the potential for pretty much the entire area could possibly be getting enough thunderstorm coverage to warrant a red flag warning on Thursday. So again, we'll be monitoring that very closely. But again, Thursday looks to be the big thunderstorm day after just isolated coverage today and Wednesday. Very hot again today. High temperatures into the 90s. Most of the Snake River Plain and lower mountain valleys, mid 70s to upper 80s in the higher elevations. We are going to start to see a bit of a cool down as more precipitation moves in Wednesday, about a 5-degree drop from today. And then by Thursday, with more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity, another significant cool down, about 5 more degrees as we get into Thursday. So we are going to moisten up and also cool down quite a bit as we get into the Thursday and Friday time frame. We'll remain very dry today. Many areas 10 to 15% minimum humidity, especially across the Snake River Plain. Almost everyone below 20%. And as you can see, we are going to start to moisten up. Minimum humidity Wednesday much higher, almost all areas above 15%, and then by Thursday, the big thunderstorm day, a lot of humidities minimums will be well above 25%. And looking at a long range outlook, 1 to 2 weeks through the middle part of August, again we're showing a better chance of below normal temperatures and also below normal precipitation. So again, today looks to be a fairly quiet day. Again, only very isolated thunderstorm coverage expected. And again, the big day, we expect an increase in thunderstorms Wednesday, and then probably close to scattered coverage everywhere on Thursday. So Thursday looks to be the main lightning day as far as fire weather purposes as we go through the rest of the week. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed 24 hours a day or go to our website listed below.